ya kubwaterania nemiroberi ya mbunge mashinani nabaigo gutumikio bobe bya BCJ county yo niko baigo ba musie emirongibere na batatu ase hemba musie mirongo etatu no yo mo baba bagwake kura yo ku mwaka isiko mugabano yo ase batembire ase chitunda ibere asirero yarenge entunda ya gatatu murikito Ivoni Muriasi arogoti rwa senjira yo bwikirano
Libagario mugavana wa Nyamira Amos Nyaribo kugendera ko basekero gekyo nigo lyabeire ligotekegima maiga yegetambokero kyaba MCM 23 asaba MCM 30 no yomo bakekura yo kumuruisie kerogo wetera impeachment kubeko muswado yuyo obusyo we bunge ya Nyamira mu MCO banyamatuta nigagwa isirio mugavana Nyaribo asobo tumekyo bobe bwechinguru cyaye nakogenda maminchaneri chiko omugwekano ko bwati CNCM yaba MCA bali yabale gokorera bikaro byabo bunge mashinani.
Mr. Speaker, it's beyond doubt that His Excellency Amos Nyaribo, Governor of Nyamira County, has engaged in the gross violation of the Constitution and the other laws and abuse of office, Mr. Speaker. His actions, marked by illegal diversion of public resources and a blatant disregard for courts and this Assembly and the Senate, including the brass and usurpation of the County Public Service Board authority, which the board itself was forced to reverse, have resulted in a demonstrable financial loss to the county government of Nyamira, amounting to approximately 54,567,000, with a further liability of 325 million annually due to unsustainable illegal hiring. I move that, having considered the foregoing grounds and the overwhelming evidence in support thereof, resolve that we remove His Excellency Amos Nyaribo from the office of the Governor of Nyamira County by way of impeachment for gross violation of the Constitution and other laws and abuse of power.
Kulengana nerichi kaba wakili bomo governor abo baikasiri bagaliaye nigo bairarie bageri yo kumurwanirira sogote babuna governor nigabeire gaokolemerobero yaye boikirano na kubata richi kase bagoisia barayi balense yaye ase serikali ye county yuo.
The suspension of the Honorable Okero, the former Speaker of this House, in October 2024. I believe, and the public will bear me witness, that the Assembly had no wrangles before, such that upon the suspension, which was challenged in court, petition number 8 of 2024, Nyamira, Enoch Okero versus the Speaker and the County Assembly of Nyamira, there were orders that were issued, and it cannot be gainsaid since there's something that has been spoken over the time. Upon the court issuing orders of the discharge and powers of the then Speaker, it will be noted that the Honorable Governor, His Excellency Amos Nyaribo, does not have express powers to interfere with the mandate of the Constitution, or rather of the Assembly, as spelled out. Pursuant to the doctrine of the rule of law and the principles of good governance, the County Executive, which is headed by His Excellency the Governor, and the County Assembly is obligated at all times in its decision working pursue legality, both procedural and substantive, following statute enacted and complying with court orders. And that is where I draw the line.
Igati yaba MCA abo batanchirana no mwakili oyu nigo barwe birengerero byabo.
If for sure and indeed the bunge mashinani was legit, why did the governor resubmit the name of Dr. Peris Nyaboke Oroko back to the legit county assembly, Mr. Speaker? I really want to ask the council to give the public the legal mind which can shed some light to public to also understand that whatever that he has been telling us is also null and void if I was given a chance to be a judge today here, Mr. Speaker.
Omwario Governor Nyaribo niga kwa isiko kulengana no monogari bwe bunge yu igetambukiro aba MCA baiga babere bakwira sentunde ya gatatu bono.
Total number of the votes cast 23. Yes votes that who voted for the yes 23. No votes 0. abstain 0. Total number of valid votes cast 23. Honorable members, and the threshold of impeachment of the governor is 2/3. And in this case, 2/3 of the total numbers of the county assembly is 21.1. But there is no half a person. As per the votes cast here, 23, the report on the removal of His Excellency Honorable Nyaribo, the governor of Nyamira County, from office by way of impeachment has now carried the day. Honorable members, His Excellency Honorable Amos Nyaribo, the governor of Nyamira County, now stands impeached.
Kuripotera KCTV kurwase kaunti ya Nyamira, Yvonne